Hello, my name is Santiago Moreno, and welcome to 5.8 Sketching Graphs of Derivatives. What is sketching graphs of derivatives? It's really simple. It's just writing down what we already know. So when we're writing sketching graphs of derivatives, we're going to focus on the max slash mins of f. The maxes of f is the zero. The maxes the critical points, I guess, not the max and mins, the critical points of f is the zeros of f prime. So let's say we're given this f of x graph, okay? What we're saying, if f of x graph, yep, sketch the f prime given the graph f. We're gonna sketch a graph according to this graph. So we're gonna say it starts positive, okay? Then it goes slowly to 0, and it goes negative for going slowly to 0, and going back up. It starts going positive again. So this kind of looks like, to me, an x third graph. And so if we derive this, it'll be a 3x squared graph. And once you see it, that's kind of like what would it be like. It would start positive, go down to 0, be negative for a while, and then go back up. So really, it would look kind of like this. Well, the derivative would start positive over here. It would be on top. It would be positive. Then at a point here, it goes to 0. At this point, it goes to 0 here. The derivative is 0. Where it starts to go negative, which would be this. This starts to go negative. And then it reaches 0 again at this point. And then starts to go positive again. It starts to go positive. That's sketching an f prime graph given the graph of f. Now let's sketch an f graph given the f prime graph. So what we say, we have this line right here. It's in the negative, so it's going to be decreasing. And then it has decreasing. It reaches a 0, right? Yep, it reaches 1, 0. So it's in the negative, so it has to be going down, and then it's going to be going up. It goes up for a bit, and then it goes back down to 0, and it goes back up. It stays down, actually. It's going to start negative, so it's going to start going down, down, until it reaches 0, which is a min or a max. It goes to 0, and it starts going up, and it starts slowly going down, and then it starts slightly going down, and then go back up, and then it'll be a negative derivative, so it'll go down, and then it'll once again go back up. That's kind of like what the graph would look like in my head. It would start negative and slowly go positive, and then go back to negative for a little bit, and then go back positive by the end. It doesn't have to be incredibly accurate. You just have to have an idea of what the graph should look like, understand the concepts behind it. But yeah, that's basically everything for 5.8. Sketching graphs of derivatives. Just understand how the graph works and what it means when you're writing it down. But yeah, goodbye.